Stir some. Okay.
Hello for a change! Coachella Day 1!
Okay, so today is April 30 and it's a Thursday. And staycation visa Cagayan sa Avida Towers.
Daddy's coming too and Daddy got to go to the trip of us.
Tagayan tayo. Sumapa siya si Daddy Brian and muna ang mga cast sa video. Nawala lagi isa. Nawala na.
Shalom number 2.
Hindi nga mapakita si Shalom kay gatangag. Wala. And si Tita Raja.
Oh yeah! Guys, already ang Cagayan. It's super good guys. What numbers? What number is it?
Super gugay. What's super gugay?
Gugay. Gugay.
Straight na, diba?
And the baby girl is wake up.
Baby girl, wake up.
Guys,
Here's the baby girl. So, abot na mi. So, padulong mi sa Avida Towers.
I think I wake up already.
Dito na ay So, mga...
Hi guys!
Iya, kuya kayo na.
Shalom!
Shalom na.
Shalom! Ding ding ding! Shalom! Look at my finger!
Hi, Sanay.
Ay! Shalom eh! Look at my finger.
Salo nang away. Ayaw, uy, ikaw po.
Ano ba siya nakatuna na tayo? Napoy ko dito.
So, we're here na.
Woohoo! Let's go, baby!
We're here na at Avida. Avida Towers. Later the Kuma.
Let's not say where we go. Wait, what? It's two Cagayans. Let's think about that. 10 kawaii.
Makapit sa ako diratin. Magkuha ako sleep daw for the parking.
Is that the same Cagayan we going the west?
So, we're here na sa Tower 1 ni at mag-register sa mi una. Kuya, dali pa ka, kuya.
So this is our room. So first, ano makita kay ang sink guys. So this is the sink. And you can see the fridge here. Yes.
Okay.
And after it, there you can put a mini table for the dining. And the sala. And here is the CR guys. So naka-spacious siya.
Wow. Okay, good at tanan diri.
Masikot na lang dira. And mami ang sala. Nilupin ko rin siya. And mami ang kwarto.
Wow.
It's very big. Yeah. For family of 5.
Sige. So, ipala ilang cast of the main event. Later. Ano? Yun sa man ninyo. Gikarga na ninyo tanan. Kamu ang na-stress. Sige, pala ilang main characters.
Ang main characters na is first, si Ate Hanilu. Adjusting experts. And this is Ate Jonah May. Our manager.
Ang peluka, ang peluka.
And this is Ate Raj, the prettiest.
Ay.
And galing kay John Poo.
Ikaw. How about you?
Guys. Trabaho na dahil ko. Nagtrabaho na dahil ko.
Yay! Lahi siya og bayad. So, naaday mi karon sa pool and kay lahi lagi ang bayad. Tama na ta karon 6 PM. So, ipakita ta mo sa video, dili. Okay ra? Ako na ipana. Woo! Yan. Honey! Ang kani mga veggie pips. Sige, so manglakaw na po din mi karon.
We guys, our vacation is that vacation na
Regards my lashes. Oh.
Where?
Ano talaga siya lang. I know. So mga to sa may mag-grocery sa may, we are living the life of a 2-day staycationer. Kana. Park sa ka. Ay, katong break sa ka. Naka-break ka while imo i-engine stop. Start.
Free? Say,
Yay! Ay, shalom! Yan naman. Ah.
Ate mo, palit sa may kapiti.
Sige.
Ate, ate,
grabe naman yung si Shalomer.
Yung bag. Thank you, Nat. Mara lagi ko nag-uyog-uyog ay.
Namunta sa nilito.
You stepped inside with a vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh, so girl, if you talk like you walk, come and talk to me. But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart.
1, 2, 3, vai! Era meu popozão.